put some banana here.
Hi, I'm Elisha Berkeley and I'm a Berkeley Chefs, and today I am going to show you how to make almond chocolate chip granola. So we got here in this bowl, we got some black sesame seed, white sesame seed, cinnamon powder, coconut sugar, pumpkin seed, and some almonds. We also have in this small bowl over here maple syrup. In this one we have almond butter that is homemade by my mom, and here we have some avocado oil. We have some oats in here. So now let's combine the ingredients. So let's put in our almond butter, and I'm going to mix a little bit this up. And our oil, avocado oil. I'm also going to add in our sugar, cinnamon powder, sesame seed, both black and white, sea salt, which is a pinch of sea salt in here, and pumpkin seeds and almonds that has been chopped. All of that, and mix. Mix, 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 mix. So if you want to get more videos from us and be notified first when you see our video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you could get notified when we post a new video. I'm going to add our maple syrup. And you want to mix this granola till there's clumps of almond butter are gone. And I think this granola is done. But you might be wondering, where are the chocolate chips? Is this really a chocolate chip granola? Well, it is. Just we are not going to put it in because then it's going to melt and might create clumps. So make sure that after you bake the granola, you let it cool fully and then you put in the chocolate chips. And you bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes and make sure to stir it and turn the granola so it's golden brown because you don't want it to get crisp and black and ashy. My mom will be helping me to put this granola to bake, but I'm going to show you guys first me putting it on the mat. Show you how to do it. I'm going to take a as I'm putting the rest of this, I'll give you viewers a chance to hit that like button. So, thank you for hitting that like button if you did, and I'll see you when it's done baking. Bye-bye. Well, it's early morning, had a wonderful rest, and I'm ready for some early breakfast. So I have here some granola I poured into my bowl. And as I was saying, you put the chocolate chip after it cooled down. So I have some chocolate chips here, and some milk, and some banana, and a butter knife to cut my bananas, and a nice spoon. So, what you do first is you take your chocolate chips, put it in the bowl, and you can mix that up so your chocolate chip is all in. And now let's move this here and open up my banana. Let me cut some banana here. I should probably keep it clean. I think I'm going to take some banana and I'll leave these banana here since I don't got enough banana for me. You can put as much banana as you like, and I got some milk. Let's pour it in. Looks good to me. Nice breakfast here. And that was pretty simple. And yeah, that's what I did now with my granola. So I'm gonna try this granola now here. This is delicious, yummy, and crunchy, and it has like a nice almond taste to it with the almond butter. Adds a good touch of almond to this cereal, and it's good for you when you wake up early, so you don't have to be rushing to prepare a breakfast for your children. And yeah, so I recommend you make this recipe, and if you like this video, like it, and I'll see you next time.